Happy morning, leaders. Today I will tell how you can purchase online product from Winfinite. Go to your browser and type here winfinite.com and search it. Cancel it from here. Now you can look these three lines. Click on these three lines and go to last option. It's login. Click on distributor login. Then put your ID number here. I have registered before, so I can manage. I will. This is my ID number and password. I had them write down, and now I'll go to login. It's log. It's logged. Now cancel it from here, and again you look at three lines. Open these three lines and come to my shopping wallet. In my shopping wallet you can look at order now. You can go to order now, and if you want to do self order, then press self order. If you want to do downline order, then press on downline order. Or if you want to do in a team order, for example in a bulk order, for example 3 to 4 order at a same place, then you have to click a team order. But if you want to self order, then click on self order. Now it's select pin code area. Put here pin code area. For example, I'm putting my pin code area. Select warehouse. Now click on go. Look, it's my complete detail here. If you want to change your address, then write down here. But if you don't want to change your address, then click on same. Then your address will automatically remain. Select purchase type activation. Repurchase activation. If you are putting your first order, then here is option of activation. If you are putting a second time your order, then here is option of repurchase. So now select a product category. Select product category. You can look this product category. Open anyone. For example, I'm opening health food. If you open health food, then you can look. This is Wingrow. Natural with Kesar Pista. Natural with Supreme Coffee. Rice Bran Oil. Winship. You can look like this. If you want this product, then you will maintain quantity. For example, I want 4 these. Then add to cart. Product added successfully to cart. Now you can look your bill is maintaining from here. Look, here is a quantity of 4, total 4. Here is a money, total 2268 money. and PV 1134. If you don't want this thing, then you can delete from here. So here you put order. For example, we are putting rice bran oil, and 5 these. Add to cart. Cart successfully added to cart. Look, now you had put it two items orders. You can look, here is 2 items and quantity is here. And now you can look 3560 my bill, and these are BVs. Now you can come to add mode of payment. Now come to add mode of payment. When you come to add mode of payment, first you can click on select mode of payment, then online payment. After online payment, add mode of payment. Now reset order. If you want to do reset order, then you can click on reset order. If you want to do your order, then click on order. Are you sure? Confirm this order. Okay. Please check on anyone offer. Okay. Select available offer. You can select available offer from these anyone. Look, you can select one. And now add payment mode. Order. Are you sure? Confirm order. Okay. Now you can select your UPI or your debit card, your credit card. For example, you are using UPI phone pay, then click on this. You can directly come to your phone pay. Look, this is your order statement, and you can click on send. Your order will be done. And you can when you done from the phone pay or Google Pay, then you have to click on proceed. Your order will be complete.